Welcome everyone to Trust Wallet Forsage getting started video. Today I want to show you how to get started. And real quick guys, the first thing you need to do is go into your phone app guys and actually download Trust Wallet. I'm in Android Google Play Store and I actually typed in Trust Wallet. Of course I have already downloaded. Keep in mind guys that when you download the Trust Wallet on your phone, you're gonna go through steps and you have to write down and save and store your 12 seed words. And in order to confirm your Trust Wallet, you have to put them in order. Guys, please back up them 12 seed words. That's the only way you're going to be able to recover your account and recover your funds in the future. So please keep that in mind, guys. So please back that up. Save it, email it to yourself, store it somewhere where you can never lose it. That's very important. That's the only way your funds will be recovered. And I'm just a member just trying to explain this program to each one. So real quick, that's the first step. Once you download the Trust Wallet, then you'll be able to open it up. Of course, I'm about to open up the Trust Wallet here. I have already downloaded it. Okay, I'm gonna go log into my account and my wallet. Okay, guys, I'm actually in my Trust Wallet right now. And as you can see, I have Ethereum already there. Guys, please keep in mind, in order to fund your Trust Wallet, you can click on Ethereum. You got two options. You could click buy at the top, and of course you have to go through steps for that. If you click buy, you literally, of course, keep in mind, guys, $250 is not the minimum. $50 is the minimum if you want to buy. That way, hit continue. But I'm not going to go through that step, guys. It'll actually take you through the process. You can add your card and all that type of stuff. But those of you that have other wallets where you can buy Ethereum at and you are used to them, what you could do is, guys, just basically go back to wallet, right? Let's go back to the home page. All right, of course, this is the home. All you gotta do is hit Ethereum, hit receive, and guys, you can actually hit copy, right? You can actually go on Coinbase or Exodus wallet or blockchain, guys, and actually send your Ethereum to this wallet address that they provide for you on your phone. That's a quicker, easier way. And guys, please keep in mind, you need to send approximately 0.06 Ethereum or 0.07 Ethereum to your wallet, of course, and that'll get you started with Forsage program. But for this video tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to get started. Of course, guys, I have already received my referral link to get into this program from my sponsor, from a person that I'm coming under. So real quick, what I'm going to do, I got my Ethereum here. As you can see, I've been hitting the back button, right? So I'm getting used to this concept here. So guys, as you can see, I got 0.09 Ethereum in my wallet, and which is good. So I got enough here. And guys, they actually show the USD value. At the current rate, 0.09 Ethereum is actually $12.10 right now at the current rate of Ethereum, which you can see the Ethereum is actually, one Ethereum is actually worth $124.39. As you can see, these are the markets. So real quick, I have already copied my referral link. My sponsor shot it to my email. So I have already copied the referral link on my sponsor. So what I'm gonna do now on Android, guys, what you do, hit D apps, and what you'll do, and now on smartphones like iPhones, your button will cause browser. So it's the same thing. They just D apps is for Androids and browsers for iPhones, Apple iPhones and all that type of stuff. So real quick, I'm gonna hit D apps. That's the browser. Now guys, keep in mind, you can only access Forsage website through Trust Wallet browser. You can't go on Google Chrome or any other browser to actually, navigate and do a lot of functions. You have to literally go through the Trust Wallet to do it. So real quick, I'm gonna click in the search box. I'm gonna paste my sponsor referral link, which is that. I'm gonna hit done on my keypad, and it's gonna take me to the actual referral link. It's very simple and easy. Okay, here I'm gonna change the language, which should be at the top. I'm gonna stretch it out just a little bit. I should be able to change the language by clicking the little top button there. All right, I'm gonna scroll down and keep coming, going all the way down. All right, you see it's in English, so that's good. Coming down to, I see a pink button. Guys, all this information just explaining to you what Forsage is. So if you want to go through that stuff, you can. They got people, it shows people earnings. You know, people have been making Ethereum in this program, peer-to-peer, person-to-person. But what I want to get to is right here, start earning. Click this button. That's how you get started. So I'm going to hit the pink button. It should open up my, yep, this is the regular page. I'm going to click automatic login, because what's going to happen, guys, you notice I'm in Trust Wallet browser. So once I automatic login, it's going to connect to Trust Wallet. So watch this. I'm going to hit automatic, the green button, automatic login. This is how you register. And guys, you can see this is my referral, the link for my sponsor. So this is my sponsor referral link. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and hit check. And guys, what it's going to do, it's going to actually connect to my actual Trust Wallet Ethereum account. So I'm going to hit approve. I want to approve payment. Now it's going to confirm on the Etherscan blockchain, which is the receipt for Ethereum. So it's tracking the transaction. It's making sure I'm getting in the system. And guys, as you can see, I'm going to let that load for a little bit. And then once I'm fully confirmed, then I'm going to hit the little back button, the back arrow button, and I should be able to log right into my account for Forsage. So we're going to wait for that to happen. And guys, after you wait a minute or so, and if you hit the back arrow button, which I did, it actually will bring you, you see the back arrow button down here at the bottom. And I actually hit that, guys, and it actually brought me into my back office. And guys, of course, I have my, I'm in the back office. I got in the program. It put me in Forsage X3 and Forsage X4 at the same time. It split that payment in half, and I'm in both matrices. And guys, as you can see, your affiliate link is right here where it says affiliate link. That's how you can send it out and get other referrals to come in behind you. And guys, to keep in mind, let's go over real quick Forsage S3 comp plan. Now, real quick, the first two people you bring in, guys, it's going to automatically go in both matrices. Every person will actually go in both matrices, right? So basically, the first two payments in X3, Forsage X3, will go to you direct. The third payment will actually go to your sponsor on every level, guys. And as it goes to your sponsor, the third payment, it's going to actually recycle you back in level 1. So it's going to allow you to earn over and over and over again on each level simultaneously. And guys, as soon as you get your first two on each level, that's your sign you could upgrade. Keep in mind, each level doubles your earning. So if you keep on moving, you got people behind you, keep on moving, you can earn even more as you go through the levels. And guys, all you got to do is to upgrade. Once you start getting 2 people in on each level, just click on the little shopping cart, a little basket. I'll show you an example. If you click on the shopping cart, it's going to ask you to confirm purchase. Of course, you will hit OK. And guys, it's going to automatic pull from your Trust wallet. So guys, as you're bringing in people, you should be upgrading your levels from profit instead of out of pocket. So keep that in mind. And every time you get 2 people on each level, you will be able to go to the next level, guys, which you actually, you can earn even more. So keep that in mind. And that's the same down here. Now, Forsage X4, the first 2, when they fill in, they pass up to your sponsor. And the 3 at the bottom, which is 3, 4, 5 at the bottom, the 3, 4, 5 circles at the bottom, they actually pay you direct. And the 6th circle on the level 1 actually allows you to re-enter into that level again, and it actually pays your sponsor. So 3 gonna always go to you, and 3 gonna always go to your sponsor on each level in Forsage X4.